flowers. The coolest flowers in the world are these flowers. Flowers are important for our health. These are what keep you to breathe, because they give you oxygen. And also trees give you oxygen. And now, since we vlogged before, the car over there was haunted. But it's gone now, so whoever was here is gone. But anyways, we're back to these flowers that we seen yesterday. Cool, aren't they? Well, you may want to watch the rest of this video, because the weird sponge thing has attacked. It has moved since last night in that water by there. And also the power sources right here. This one goes into by there, and then I think it goes so then once you do this, you need to follow this black bit. It goes over here, and then it's going, I don't think you can see it. Let's see, can you see this? Yeah, it's going in that water. And then as you can see, there's a plug over there. There was. Let's go to the other box, because that's where I seen it. There we go. There's that wire. And anyways, the flowers again. Here's the box that goes all the way down there. Anyways, to one of my helpers helping me with half of this, that are putting everything together, it is Ella. Thumbs up. She isn't that tidy. Okay, we'll be back in a sec. Just need to make sure the road isn't trying to kill me.